The chatbot era is ending. The agent era just started. I gave this one tool a single sentence, one prompt, and it came back with a finished script, a set of images, a short video, and a slide deck. Not drafts, deliverables. So today I will show you exactly what replaced my entire stack. Because if you create anything for a living, this changes your week. Quick honest note before we go further. You should know HIX AI partnered with me on this video. They unlocked full access so I could actually stress test it. But I run my own prompts on this channel, and if something is weak, I tell you. So stay with me to the end, because I will show you the exact pricing number that made canceling all 5 of those tools an easy decision, and just how much it puts back in your pocket every single month. But only after you have seen the tool actually work. Here is the part nobody says out loud. The problem in 2026 is not that we lack AI tools. The problem is that we have too many. You have one app for writing, another for images, another for video, another for slides, another for research. Each one is a separate login, a separate bill, a separate tab, and a separate place where your work gets stuck. You are not paying with money alone. You are paying with the 20 minutes you lose every time you copy something out of one tool and paste it into the next. That switching cost is the real tax on your creativity. Hold that idea, the switching tax, because it is going to come back at the end, and it is the whole reason this tool matters. So what is HIX AI actually? Think of it as one workspace that puts the best AI models in a single place. Inside it, you get AI chat, AI image, AI video, AI slides, an AI writer, and deep research. And here is the part that surprised me. It does not lock you into one company's model. You can reach for Claude, for Gemini, for GPT, for top video models like Seedance and Kling, all from the same screen. So instead of betting on one lab, you use whichever model is best for the job in front of you. Now let me stop describing it and actually run it, starting with the feature that made me sit up. Let me show you the hero of this whole platform first. It is called General Agent Mode. Most AI tools wait for you to do the thinking and give them tiny steps. This does the opposite. Watch what happens when I give it something big. I typed one prompt. Build a full launch campaign for a new clothing brand, including a launch plan, promo images, and a 15-second promo video. That is it. That is the whole instruction. Now look at what it does on its own. It breaks the job into pieces. It writes the plan, it generates the images, it produces the video, all inside one single thread, with no tab switching, no copy and paste, no handing files between apps. I sped this part up so you are not watching progress bars, but the point stands. One sentence in, a finished campaign out. Have you ever wished a tool would just finish the job instead of asking you what to do next? This is that. So the agent can run the whole thing. But how good is each individual piece when you slow down and use them by hand? Let me put on my creator hat and walk the exact workflow I use for a video like this one. Step 1, I open AI Chat and ask it to write me a script and a set of captions for a short. Because I can pick the model, I send the heavy thinking to a strong reasoning model and get something I can actually shape, not generic filler. Step 2, I jump to AI image and generate thumbnail options and visual assets from a simple text description. Step 3, I take one of those images into AI video and turn it into a moving clip. Writing, visuals, motion. 3 jobs that used to live in 3 different subscriptions, done in one place, in the time it takes to make coffee. Now, if you are not a creator, you might be thinking, this is not for me. Stay right there, because the next workflow is built for you. Let me switch hats completely. Say you are a freelancer or you run a small business and you need to win a client this week. Here is the business workflow. You start in chat and have it draft a marketing pitch or a proposal. Then you move to AI slides. And this one genuinely impressed me, because it builds out a full polished presentation, 10 to 15 pages, backed by research, not just 3 bullet points on a blank background. Then, if the client wants proof, you run deep research, and it goes out, gathers sources, and hands you a structured report you can actually attach to an email. Pitch, deck, research. The exact stack a consultant charges good money for, produced in an afternoon. So whether you make content or close deals, the same platform carries you. which raises the obvious question: what does all of this cost? And is it actually cheaper than the pile of tools you are replacing? Now I promised you a number, so here it is, and this is the moment that changed my mind. HIX AI has a free plan with 20 credits a month, which is fine for kicking the tires. The Pro plan gives you 1,500 credits for moderate use, but the one to look at is HIX AI Max. On the yearly plan, it is currently half off, and it starts at $14.99 a month. Sit with that for a second. That is less than I was paying for a single chatbot subscription on its own. And for that one price, you are not getting just chat. You are getting AI video, AI image, slides, documents, writing tools, and access to multiple top models, all under one roof. That is the switching tax I told you to remember, gone. One bill instead of 5. But here is the part nobody making these review videos will tell you, and I want you to hear it clearly. An all-in-one tool is only a deal if you would have actually used those pieces. If the only thing you ever do is chat, then a cheaper single tool might be all you need, and you should not pay for video and slides you will never open. The trap with every all-in-one platform is buying capability you never touch and calling it a bargain. So before you click anything, ask yourself an honest question. In a normal week, do you reach for more than 2 of these jobs? Writing, images, video, slides, research. If the answer is yes, this consolidates your whole stack and saves you real money. If the answer is no, be disciplined and stay on the free plan until you grow into it. Drop a comment and tell me, how many separate AI subscriptions are you paying for right now? I have a feeling the number is higher than you want to admit. So let me close the loop I opened at the start. The reason this tool matters is not that any single feature is the best on earth. The chat is strong, the video is good, the slides are genuinely useful, but you can find specialists that edge out each one. The reason it matters is the thing I keep coming back to: the switching tax, the minutes, the logins, the bills, the friction of moving work between 5 apps. That is what quietly drains your time and your wallet. And that is what this removes. One workspace, one login, one price. Here is the simple decision map. If you only ever chat, stay lean and skip it. If you juggle 2 or more of these jobs every week, the max plan at that yearly price is the easiest yes in your toolkit right now. And if you are just curious, the free plan costs you nothing to test tonight. Do you agree that consolidation beats chasing the single best tool for everything? Tell me in the comments, because I read them and I know a lot of you will push back. And I want to hear it. If your one small step this week is anything, make it this. Pick the single most annoying tab switch in your workflow, the one handoff that wastes your time every single day, and go see if this one platform kills it. That is it. Start there. One last thing before you go. This channel exists for one reason: to help people with real experience turn what they already know into an edge, without the hype and without the noise. If that is you, subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video is a hands-on test where I push these AI video models to their limit and show you which one actually holds up. The people who win with AI are not the youngest or the loudest. They are the ones who move first while everyone else is still arguing about it. So move first. The link to try HIX AI is pinned at the top of the description and in the first comment. Go build something today.